Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show how to find the value of x where 5 to the power x times 25 to the power x is equal to 50, or 5 to the power x times this 25 can be written as 5 square whole to the power x is equal to 50, or according to exponential formula a to the power m whole to the power n is equal to a to the power mn. Applying this formula, here we can write 5 to the power x times 5 to the power 2x is equal to 50, or again applying another formula, a to the power m times a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. So we can write here 5 to the power x plus twice x is equal to 50, or 5 to the power x plus 2x is equal to 3x is equal to 50. Or now taking log on both sides, we can write here log of 5 to the power 3x is equal to log of 50. Or now applying formula, log of a to the power b is equal to b times log of a. So here we can write 3x times log of 5 is equal to log of 50. Or now divided both sides by log of 5, we can write here 3x times log of 5 over log of 5 is equal to log of 50 over log of 5. Or this log of 5 cancel out this log of 5, so here we will get 3x is equal to, now log of 50 can be written as log of 5 times 5 times 2 over log of 5. Or 3x is equal to, now here we can write log of 5 plus log of 5 plus log of 2 all over log of 5. Or 3x is equal to, now we can write here log of 5 over log of 5 plus log of 5 over log of 5 plus log of 2 over log of 5. Or 3x is equal to, here we will get 1 plus similarly here we will get 1 plus here we can write log of 2 base 5. Or 3x is equal to 1 plus 1 is 2 plus log of 2 base 5. Now divided both sides by 3, we can write here 3x over 3 is equal to 2 plus log of 2 base 5 over 3. This 3 cancel out this 3, so finally we will get the value of x is equal to 2 plus log of 2 base 5 all over 3, and it is our final answer. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.